Hello, I'm Kaushal and I'll be demonstrating the GitHub Automated Analysis project. This is done on a local server instead of it being hosted. Although the website has been hosted and can be used, but it is not used since the Vercel website times out within 10 seconds. And since there are a lot of files that need processing, even though they are used in chunks to satisfy the GPT token limit, they will tend to time out. Hence, we have run it on the local host server. First, I'll enter the link. From this, we can retrieve all of the repositories of the users. Now, upon clicking the button, the program sends the request to the GPT model for all of the repositories. This is done in a limited fashion with a limited number of repositories so as to not exceed the GPT free limit quota. It can be made to take in all of the repositories once the quota is upgraded. To consider the GPT token limit, we have broken the larger files into smaller chunks of less than 4,000 tokens. As we can see, the most technically complex repository is the Ether transfer repository, which has been graded by the GPT. To get an explanation as to why, we can ask GPT by clicking on this Generate Explanation button. It takes the top chunks that are graded by GPT and gets the explanation again from GPT. These top chunks are chosen because of the quota, otherwise we would have considered all of the chunks. After getting our explanation from the GPT, we can go to Home by using this button. The explanation given by the GPT can be read here. Now we go to the home page. As you can see, once I click the button without any text, it does not load ahead. So there are security checks to prevent the program from being misused. The program won't proceed on an empty box. Also, there were quite some difficulties like the timeout and the token limitation. The timeout was solved by returning to using a locally hosted platform instead of using the Vercel server, because it is mostly used to host static websites. The token limitation was solved by using segmentation of the larger files into smaller chunks. Thank you.